Good job, girl. Okay, here's your yellow.
Toots, you need to sit down, sweetie. Molly, you need to sit down.
Thank you. Remember what to do?
No.
Okay. Molly, here, I'll help you with Molly. You gotta put it on your spoon and lower it in.
And let it soak.
You gotta let it sit there for a minute, okay? Here you go.
The lighting in this shot is fantastic. Not really. It's hard to see you guys.
I didn't know you take your spoon out.
I'm gonna finish the glitter stickers, high quality.
Josie, what are you doing down there, you spaz?
She just hammered
What's this? Is this the bag?
We got the old coal miner.
You got the what?
We got the coal miner's daughter down there banging on stuff.
The glitter!
Nothing's better than glitter with small children.
You have girls. What did you expect?
Love the glitter.
I don't know why you hate glitter so much. It's pretty. Each egg's supposed to take 5 minutes. You're supposed to lower the egg into the coloring bath. There you go. Where'd you get that spoon?
I think that was from lunch for Molly. Fantastic.
Yeah, it was under there. She dropped it.
Well, that's some nifty camera work there. I apologize to the viewers.
What's the glitter shaker for?
Do I look like I got caught in a windstorm?
Sure. You look like you got caught in a public restroom.